What's up guys, I'm Teddy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review a different product different than the collectibles, and that product is a sneaker. And so this is the box that actually came with. You have this Smooth to Zero, your Nikes, your normal labels to it, shipping labels. So I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside of it, the actual box of the sneaker. So it's open like in two pieces. You have your packing paper. I'm going to show you all the details in a minute. So for now, this is the box, how they will come out. So guys, these are the Air Jordans 35. So I'm going to tell you what Nikes said about the shoes. They said that they are back and evolved, and these Air 35 trainers from Jordans let you harness your power on the court. So basically, the lighter the shoes, the less weight you're gonna carry when you're playing basketball. Evolved from last year, and this year has like establishing Eclipse Plate 2, visible cushion, new flight wire cables. So the new ones, I think they're more lightweight and responsive, and the design is gonna help the players to get the most of their power. So now I'm going to show you more details about the shoe, especially the sole. You have your Jumpman logo. So this is a sculpted Eclipse plate. This is the second version of it. So it's raised to enable side-to-side stability and support. It's followed out to help out reduce the shoe overall weight. So I want to show you as much as possible the inside, the heel cushions on this side, you'll see, and on the front. So the cushion has a springy response feel. The thick, large volume feels unit provides impact of the cushion. So the rubber outsole, they look very steady, very rubbery. So they used modified thread patterns that grips the court. So it's designed to help you start run when you dunk. These ones, they feel very steady. But what I noticed and liked about the 35 is that they maintain the overall aesthetic of the 34, so that they return with the Eclipse plates, visible zoom. What I like the most about the shoes that quite different than other ones is the colorway. Colorway is humble, it's amazing, just look at it. So the color that it has is like, first main one is black, it's all this side. You have black, you have this leather here, you have hyper grape this side on the back, you got fuchsia black, and you have total orange down to the front. So these colors they're gonna. So guys, on my next video I'm gonna show you a clip on foot with the sneakers, so check it out. So guys, that was the unboxing of the Air Jordans 35. So I bought the sneaker from Nike's official website, and I'm going to put the link on my description. You can check it out. So until next time, take care. See ya.